Hello, my name is Mitya and you're watching a quick video recap of our most recent blog tutorial in which I will demonstrate how to add sharpness to your piano chord progression. In house music, the piano has long been an important element. It is a key ingredient in a wide range of dance floor hits. When produced properly, a great piano song may become an anthem. In the next tutorial, I will show you how to add sharpness to your piano chord progression and blend it in the overall mix. Let's take a look at the SoundBridge project in front of us and listen to the full mix before we start working on our piano chord progression. As you can hear, this piano chord progression is pushed further back in the mix, and this is something I would like to change. In order to do this, I have duplicated the original piano MIDI channel. On the duplicated channel and its MIDI editor, I have decreased the length of the notes. I've done this because I wanted to emphasize the attack of the notes rather than the sustain and release. After this, I have processed the duplicated version further using the transient shaper and a bit of a reverb effect and mixed it with the original version. The final result is a piano progression that cuts better through the overall mix. I hope you will find this technique interesting, and for a full blog article, please visit our website at soundbridge.io.